name is Utari Dwi Ayu P, name 3118028. This video aims to meet the final exam of the BET course in this semester. And this video, I will explain about bird hornbill biodiversity. I chose the hornbill bird because it is one of the typical birds of West Kalimantan, where I live. Point number 1, characteristic. Rangkong birds are endemic to the Dayak tribe's fauna. These birds have special characteristics, namely having large horns above their beaks, having large and long beaks, having very small nostrils, and of varying colors. Point number 2, habitat. Rangkong birds usually rise in lowlands with tall trees up to 1,500 cm in height. Most of the hornbills live in tropical rainforests, but there are also some species in dry areas. Point number 3, food. Rangkong bird eat dry food. Apart from this, hornbill also eat small animals such as insects. Point number 4, reproduction. Rangkong birds live in pairs, but some live in groups. According to Camp 1995, during the breeding period, all species of hornbills living in tropical forests nest in naturally formed hollow trees. Based on the research result, hollow trees available in nature have a tree diameter greater than 45 cm. When nesting, the female hornbills will enter a hole which is covered by mud and fish, leaving only a small gap to take food from the male hornbills or its group member. Using the beak, each type of hornbill has a different breeding cycle. This is influenced by the availability of food, the rainy season, and hollow trees in their habitat. The last point, threat. The threat to Rangkong bird is the large number of illegal hunting that will either be used as decoration, threat as pets, human activities such as forest destruction, including tree cutting. Threats also occur due to the expansion of plantation crops. This can damage the stability of the ecosystem in the forest and become a threat to the presence of Rangkong birds due to disturbed habitat condition. Effort. As we all know, Rangkong birds are very threatened with extinction. For this reason, efforts are needed to protect and preserve the Rangkong bird. Various efforts such as the role of the government strict and consistent regulation against hunters and imposing approach section for action. The role of the community is also needed in this case, namely to report to the task when they see hunting or habitat restriction, as well as making Rangkong bird captivity. The behavior of this animal, which is unique to this bird, is its nesting in tree holes. Incubating female hornbills nest in tree holes and are covered with mud, soil, or food scrap to protect them for predators. Rangkong, or which have another name, hornbills, are a species of bird that live in Indonesia, Africa, Asia, the tropics, and Papua New Guinea. Rangkong is one of the typical birds of the Dayak tribe in Kalimantan. This bird plays a very important role for forest sustainability, especially for the distribution of seeds in forest regeneration. Rangkong are included in the animal kingdom phylum Chordata, Aves class, Bucerotidae family, The large hornbill species also live in Indonesia, namely the ivory hornbills. The body size of this bird can be said to be large when compared to other bird species, especially those of the ivory hornbill. The length of the animal body itself varies between 65 until 170 cm. The body weight of this bird ranges from 290 until 4,200 grams. Its body weight shows that the size of a hornbill is large for a bird that can fly. Rangkong have different plumage color for males and females. Male birds have a more conspicuous plumage color than females. The entire body is covered in black, gray, and white fur, plus red and yellow on the skin of the necks, head, and a cycle. Male birds have a more striking color to attract female birds. Forest conditions greatly affect the population of rare birds in the wild. When the condition of the forest is still good and there is no deforestation, there are certainly many hornbills. This is because these birds that live in virgin forests must still be very free to find food or look for niche for incubating eggs. When the condition of the forest is damaged, this can cause a decline in the hornbill population because this bird naturally nest in tree holes, especially when the number of trees with large diameter has decreased. This will make it difficult for hornbills to find nests. The rarity status of hornbills in Indonesia is that they are threatened with extinction and the population in the wild has decreased. Hornbill population have been rapidly decreasing in recent years. Number 5 years 19 and 90 concerning biological ecosystem research and their ecosystem regulate the sanctions that are obtained for carrying out illegal hunting. Government Regulation Number 7 of 1999 concerning the types of plant and animal protected by hornbill is included in the attachment for protect animal, including the Bucerotidae family. In regulation of the Minister of Environment Number 19 concerning amendments to regulation of the Minister of Environment and Forestry Number 20 concerning protected plant and animal species, several types, including protected animals, namely Kilingan hornbills, white-bellied hornbills, black hornbills, crested hornbills, hornbills board, hornbills black-crested, Sulawesi hornbills, ivory hornbills, Sumba hornbills, and golden hornbills. According to the IUCN Red List, the ivory hornbills is included in the rare category of critically endangered CR species, which means that it is endangered. Other types are included in the vulnerable, near threatened, and some are included in the list concerned status. so many explanation from me. Hopeful it will be useful in gaining insight. Thank you.